Today, this is the mechanism addition reaction according to the class of compound alkenes, which is we have functional group carbon-carbon double bond. So this addition reaction, we are focused into elimination reaction. So in our syllabus, the mechanism addition reaction consists of reaction. First, addition of hydrogen halide to alkene, and for the second part, hydration reaction focus on addition of water to alkene. The generally, so means general equation for the part A, which is the addition of the HX into alkene. If you have a carbon-carbon double bond as our reactant reacted with hydrogen halide, this hydrogen halide either HBr or HCl into the carbon-carbon double bond, and we must be focused one rules. What rules? So our rule is Markov-Nikov rules. So we add hydrogen atom first into the carbon-carbon double bond. Next, we add halogen into the carbon-carbon double bond, and finalize our product should be the formation of saturated compound, which is they are single bond. So next, if we have the second reaction, which is the hydration reaction, so the general equation must be involved our carbon-carbon double bond reacted with the water molecule and the presence of the catalyst. So this catalyst is acidic, and this specific compound acidic we discuss later. So our reagent consists H plus and OH minus. So therefore, we can add hydrogen atom into the carbon-carbon double bond that containing highest number of hydrogen atom based on to the Markov-Nikov rules, and we can make a conclusion. The first reaction we can produce haloalkene, and for the second reaction we can produce alcohol. So this is another two mechanism we must focus. So we discussed for the first reaction. Okay, so we focus to the example 1, page 106. Based on to the equation given, write the mechanism for the following reaction. So the first thing what happened, you must be trace who is our reactant functional group. So this is a carbon-carbon double bond, and this will become nucleophile site because consists highest density of electron in the carbon-carbon double bond. And you must be find out the final equation given. We have the addition of the bromine atom and another one of hydrogen atom. Means when you focus to the mechanism, it must be related to the type of reaction. So the process involved, we trace that we add H and Br, and the process we can label as a addition reaction. And who is our first species is added? So if our reactant here is a nucleophile site, so means that you must be added H plus ion first. Why H plus ion? Because H plus ion is electrophile. So the type of reaction is electrophilic addition reaction. So according to the mechanism, we have a 3-step. First, formation of the carbocation, which is the C plus ion. Rearrangement, if any, means the function of rearrangement to identify Okay, we try to find out the most stable carbocation to consider as a major product form and nucleophilic attack. So, in the first mechanism, it must be involved in our reactant, which is a carbon-carbon double bond, must be reacted with our reagent HBr. So, but in mechanism, HBr, you must be sure the covalently bond between hydrogen and bromine, and we proceed to the mechanism by using full-headed arrow. So, where's a reaction take place? So, it must be take place at the site of the carbon-carbon double bond. Means this is nucleophile site, we must be added electrophile because the type of reaction is electrophilic addition. So, your arrow here must be come from the one of the bonding pair between carbon, directly attack proton, which is hydrogen positive charge, and the bonding between H and Br will break. So the two electrons are covalently be together will given directly toward to the bromine atom simultaneously. So your final product can be formed intermediate species we can call carbocation. Where's the carbocation? So from a double bond, this bonding pair will become one of the single bond. And we must be traced where's the location of the hydrogen atom must be added. So this hydrogen atom must be added to the carbon-carbon double bond, follow the Markov-Nikov rule. So means hydrogen must be added at the carbon number 3 because carbon number 3 have the higher number of hydrogen compared to the carbon number 2. So means hydrogen added at this carbon. And next, carbon number 2 will become less of electron and the charge will become positive charge. And at the same time, we can produce our side product which is bromine ion. Why bromine ion? Because the covalently bond in form of Lewis structure H and Br have a 3 lone pair. After the bonding H and Br are break, so the both electron will given directly toward to the bromine, and finalize we can form 4 electron pair at a bromine, and the formal charge for bromine is -1. So if we want to proceed for second step, what is the second step? Step 2 should be rearrangement. If this rearrangement, we must to form either from primary carbocation is that can be formed secondary because secondary is a more stable, or from the secondary is that it can be arranged to form a tertiary carbocation because tertiary carbocation is a more stable. So if the most stable carbocation form means the major product can be formed. During we already find out the carbocation in step 1, we must be clarify the classification of this carbocation. So means C plus attached 1, 2, 3 alkyl group, and we clarify this is tertiary carbocation. So this tertiary carbocation already stable. So if already stable, means step 2 does not exist in our reaction mechanism. So you just proceed to the next step, and we are label step 3. So now I label step 3 here, which is we can call nucleophilic attack. So how the nucleophilic attack? So we must use the intermediate carbocation product in a step 1 to redraw again. So this is tertiary carbocation. It must be reacted with our nucleophile. So who is our nucleophile? In step 1, which is a bromine ion. So it must be reacted with the bromine. So the process involved is addition. So we must add all the species inside the reaction. So means your arrow must be come from one alone pair of the bromine attack the carbocation. Means the process involved bromine is added to the compound. So the product form CH3, CH3, CH, and this is the first hydrogen added, and this is the another species added. So this is become CH, 3. So this is our finalized product, but it must be find out. Okay, according to the rate determining step, means process involved. In the step 1, from the octet compound, which is all of them are octet for each atom, we disturb and it's become incomplete octet. So which is become the C plus ion. So daripada stabil kepada unstable species, so the reaction take place is slow. But after we undergo process addition, so C plus is unstable, it's required the electron. What happened? So bromine is easily to added to the C plus and the reaction become fast. So this is the mechanism, the addition of hydrogen halide into the carbon-carbon double bond to produce haloalkene.